In British English. Gardening. 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 Gardening.
Gardening. Gardening.
Examples in phrases and sentences.
Her love of gardening. As modifier gardening gloves. After retirement, she developed her love of gardening. As well as coaching, Christy indulges his love of gardening. She and her husband Dave, 65, shared a love of organic gardening. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. You can find similar videos for each and every English word in the dictionary on our website.